In today's video, I'll show you how to add a clickable location link to a Canva invitation. It's a quick trick that takes only a few minutes and makes sure your guests know exactly where your event is happening. First, open your invitation design and click on the text box that contains your event address. This is the perfect place to add the clickable link. With the address selected, look toward the top right of the Canva toolbar. Click on the three dots icon to reveal more options. In the drop-down menu, click on Link. This feature lets you attach a web address directly to your text, turning it into an interactive element. Now, open Google Maps in a new browser tab. Search for your venue, then click Share and copy the direct link to the location. Switch back to Canva, and in the link field, paste the Google Maps URL you just copied. Double check it's the right link so your guests land at the correct spot. Finally, click Done. The location link is now embedded in your invitation. When someone receives it, they can click the address and instantly open directions. And that's it. You've added a functional location link to your Canva invitation. This little detail makes your invites more professional and saves guests the hassle of searching for directions. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your event.